Hi friends, it's Dr. Christine here. It's a live training from our AI Wellness Universe, and I wanted to show you how we create images and then put text on it. So we have here an image that we created of a lady that enjoying the afternoon. To edit that, we click the three dots. We can copy it here. We can regenerate it. We can see the prompt for the image, and you see how simple that is. And you can copy it, you can edit it, you can remove the background. I wouldn't recommend it, it's beautiful. You can share it and you can also delete it. Now let's try the editor here, the editor feature. You can crop the shape, make it smaller, and you can also annotate and add text to it. Now let's try that and see how it works. Let's add some text to it. Let me put this here away. Let's put text on it, and let's put in enjoy the moment. Now this text is obviously too small. Let's make it a bit larger and change the color to a wonderful, what do I want? Dark green? No, maybe a white. White? Aha, okay. Now it's of course not big enough. Let's do the font size extra large. That isn't too large. Let's try medium. Okay, and I want to sit it in the middle. Line height is fine, but honestly, I do not like the font style. Let's try something else. Let's try this one. Okay, better. Font style, let's do it italics. How's that? Oh, let's play. Bold italic. That's it. That's what I want. Now the color's not nice. Let's make that a bright red. No, bright yellow, orange. That's what I like better. Okay. Now here it is. And what else can we do? Flip horizontal, duplicate, garbage, auto hide. Let's do auto hide, edit text. There we go. Rectangle, ellipse, Sharpie, eraser, line. That sounds really interesting. What about a rectangle? It doesn't do much. Okay, let's see. It's pretty nice. I really enjoy the frame feature also. It's kind of nice, matte, bevel. This one is nice and little. Zebra. Look at that. You can play with your images. And which one do we choose? I like this one for now. And let me see if we can't change the image also, the annotate feature. I really wanted to eraser path, line arrow, rectangle. Rectangle, line width, outline small. Let's make a rectangle here. Font color, let's make that and see, does it actually do a rectangle here? Here we go. There's our rectangle. Now, I don't want to really have it that way. How about that? And now, of course, we have to put it in the back. That's probably what this is for. Oh, that's a duplication. Okay, I didn't need that. Now, let's see. How do we get that in back? Eraser. Corner radius. Look at that. This is pretty cool. I can make corners. Now, let's see. Fine tune. What's the fine tune do? Okay, of course, I want this image here. No, that doesn't do it. Annotate. Now I can move it. Can I move that on top? Move to front. Okay, now I got it up front. Look at this. This is gorgeous now, but the color's no longer right. Let's give it a little one different. What about dark green? I'm not a designer, as you can see. That doesn't look good. A red one? I like red. Let's leave it at red. Doesn't look that pretty. But you can edit the text actually and make it a little. Let's use this one. No, I don't like it. Let's do black. I like this one. I'm stupid play maybe to do it, but I like it. Okay, enjoy the moment. There we go. An image with writing. Now let's see how we can export that. Okay. Done. There's a little button here on top right that gets easily hidden. Click done to save the image. Watch this. And there's two features to note. There's a little button here. You click on that and it shows you the different kinds of images. It's still the original image and it has the one that you just created. And now you can download it or copy it and upload it to your social media. And I think it's cool. Excellent. So that's a new feature that I haven't even tried myself, but I really like it. Try it today.